Hey everyone, it's Mike Andes over here at Copilot, soon to be Homeworks, and a quick update that we just rolled out on the FieldForce mobile app. About a month ago, we added the ability to be able to add videos from the FieldForce mobile app in the before and after sections of the visit. This would also allow you to be able to attach it to the customer portal for the customer to see a video update. The trouble with this is a lot of times those videos are actually meant to go on the property or that individual visit. Well, I'm happy to say as of today, we made another improvement to where now videos can be added directly to a visit or to the property details. This allows you to be able to, if you're at a property and you have crews coming every week, you can make a video attached to the property so that in the future, every time a crew comes back to that site, they're able to see the video. Or just attach to the individual visit without having to put it in the before and after section. And we've updated, as of a couple weeks ago, to over 500 megabytes of file storage. This allows you at a 720p high definition video, over 10 minutes of video footage. This is great for estimate videos, equipment maintenance, project updates, and a host of other use cases that we're seeing members use it. So definitely check out the help articles, as well as some of the training videos inside of the Copilot University to be able to learn how to use this video feature and how to make sure that your FieldForce, the team out in the field, is able to use the app to its full extent.